In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Godaddy website in just 5 minutes. This process is quick and straightforward, making it an excellent way to enhance communication with your website visitors. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Godaddy's homepage. Once you're there, head over to the section for domain names, websites, hosting and online marketing tools. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools and settings necessary to customize your website. Next, you'll want to go to the products section. This is where you can see all your purchased services and easily manage your website's components. Look for your specific website among your products, which you can do by clicking on the website link available on your dashboard. Once you've opened your website, find and click the Edit Website option. This action will take you to GoDaddy's website builder, where you can make all kinds of modifications to the layout and functionality of your site. When inside the website editor, you'll see various options for adjusting your site. What you're looking for now is the Add Section button. Click on that and a new window will open, allowing you to choose the type of section you want to add to your website. In the search bar within this window, type the word HTML. This will filter the options and make it easy to find the section you need. Once you see the HTML section, select it by clicking on the HTML option. This action is crucial because you'll be adding a custom piece of code to create your WhatsApp button. Now that you've selected your HTML section, click on the Add button. This will place an HTML block on your page, and it's where you'll be pasting your WhatsApp button code next. With the HTML block now on your page, your focus shifts to pasting the custom script. This script is a piece of HTML code that creates the WhatsApp button. Ensure you have obtained this code beforehand. Simply paste the script into the custom code field provided within the HTML section you've just added. After pasting the script, make sure to save your changes. Preview your website to check that the WhatsApp button appears as expected and is functioning correctly. This button should offer a direct line for visitors to reach you on WhatsApp, enhancing your site's interactivity and improving communication with your audience. And there you have it, a simple channel for direct communication now right on your GoDaddy website. With just a few clicks and a bit of code, you've added a powerful tool to engage with your audience more effectively. Happy connecting!